subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and comment down below if you want another video like this one. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adriel. This is my brother Yale, and today we'll be doing the ultimate slime lab. And the slime that we're gonna be making is Fizzy Gloop. Okay, so the things that you'll be needing to make the neon Fizzy Gloop is a spoon, sodium carbonate, Fizzy Gloop baking soda, Fizzy Gloop mix, a beaker, another beaker with water, and a bowl. My glue solution. Fizzy Gloop solution. Getting started with step number 1. I'm going to be doing step number 1. Now I'm going to measure me 100 steps, but 100 millimeters, but it only goes up to 80, so I'm going to have to do 80 and then 20. You're going to need a little bit more. A little bit. Like 1 drop. That's good. Yep, that's good. Now we're going to pour it in the bowl. Then now you have to do it 20. Kind of over 20. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's 20. There we go. Okay, so step number 2, I'm going to use my spoon here to make one spoonful of sodium. And I'm going to pour it into the bowl and start mixing, so that will be our activator. But if I do it like this. And remember Game Shakers? Oh, I would always love that show. We would, when Game Shakers was on, if you guys know that from way back, me and my brother, he would always wake me up, and he would like tell me if Game Shakers was on, because once Game Shakers was on, oh, me and my brother would just watch it. Okay, now on to the second step. I'm going to pour it 10 millimeters again. So 10 millimeters, and then put it in your beaker. On to the next step, add 10 millimeters to the beaker. Okay, now, no, not that. You pour that in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna dry. No, wait. I need to get two spoonfuls. 2 spoonfuls. And now I need to pour it in here.
Okay, now I'm gonna add Fizzy Gloop mixture into the second cup.
And if you guys don't know what this is, it's Fizzy Gloop mix.
Your Fizzy Gloop activator.
Okay, so I'm mixing my solution with my baking soda. Here you go. So put it in the
And then there's 3 choices: blue, purple, or yellow,
Gold.
which is kind of like gold. Okay, now I'm gonna add the Fizzy Gloop activator into the Fizzy Gloop solution. You can see it coming down.
Oh, it's rising.
It's
Oh,
rising
guys,
up
you guys
slowly.
see it? Oh
It's
my
rising
God,
slowly.
it's rising really slowly.
We should add
I think
more of
that's
this.
enough. Right there.
Oh my God, it's rising!
It's rising! It's rising! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my
I
God!
made it go down.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh!
Now you can leave a spoon.
Leave the spoon! No! I don't want to.
Mom, can you leave the spoon? You have to keep going.
I have to keep going.
And
Yeah, guys. I think we should put this stuff in there too.
not way too much, Joe, because then guess why? It will make it so much bubbly.
Yee.
Hey, Joy, I think it's already made slime.
Dang, my fingers are already hurting. I'm here.
You have to play with it now with your hands.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, pull up my sleeves. Subscribe, hit that bell,
For notifications,
and
comment down below if you want another video like this one.
and you guys can find this at Walmart. It's, what is it?
Fizzy Gloop.
Ultimate Slime Laboratory. And
And
it
you
has
can-
four different,
Show them.
it has 4 different
Slimes.
slimes that you can make. The one that we made is this one, the Fizzy Gloop. And it actually turned out to be pretty good.
Yeah,
And
when it's like coming up.
Like, subscribe.
Hit that bell.
Subscribe. Wait, did I already say subscribe? Subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit the bell for notifications. Also, like the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.